I'm going to read this letter to you.
I'm going journey, keep holding me down. Yeah.
Ohayo gozaimasu mga biik.
Ohio.
Ayan, so today is January 26, 2025 and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's vlog, we booked a tour via Klook and we are going somewhere far from Sapporo. So nagbook kami ng tour via Klook. It's called Hokkaido Noboribetsu Popular Instagram Tour. And if you're also going to Sapporo and gusto nyo din mag-book ng tour, you can use our Klook code.
Don't ba na Klook para maka-discount kayo sa mga checkouts niyo?
Ayan, so nandito lang kami sa underground subway. Ang gagawin namin is papunta na kami sa meeting place, which is exit 31 Odori Station. By the way, bumili muna kami ng breakfast sa Family Mart. So yan yung mga binili namin. Famichiki, coffee, sandwich. Mga biik, alam nyo, yung train na ano nila dito, system, yung sa transportation nila, is very similar with the one in Tokyo. So, madali lang siyang maintindihan. Yung mga ano sila dito. Yung mga lovebirds sila. Lovebirds yun, diba? Eto na, we found it. Exit 31. We're looking for the J92. Kaso wala akong makita.
Ano nga yung mga 92? Ayun, natanong mo sa kanya rin.
H5D. Filipino time is not real because kami ang nauna dito sa bus. And time check, it's 7:35. 8 o'clock talaga yung ano niya, yung boarding nito. And ayan o, 7:35 pala.
Maybe about 10:30 to 10:40 we'll arrive at the first place, the snowmobile. And today we depart at Sapporo. Sapporo is the biggest city of Hokkaido. Here is Sapporo, hot water, right? But almost Japanese restaurant, they will only give you a glass of cold water. So if you want the hot tea and the hot water, maybe you will see very easy Japanese. Hot water is oyu kudasai. And hot tea is ocha kudasai. And if you want glass of cold water, you can say ohiya kudasai.
Ohiya
Do you remember? Hot water.
Oyu kudasai.
No? Oyu hot water. And hot tea.
Ocha.
Yes, ocha. And cold water. Ohiya kudasai. Maybe you can try Indian now. It's very easy. At the Japan Sea is Otaru. Do you know Otaru? Otaru Station. Just nearby Sapporo. Maybe you buy the JR only 40 minutes you arrive at Otaru. And Otaru is very famous for the glasses or the music box museum. And if you come back Hokkaido in summer, also you can try the uni rice in Otaru like this one. The uni rice, like this one. One boat maybe about 6,000 yen or 7,000 yen, but it's summer only in summer. It's very delicious. If you like uni rice, maybe you can go to Otaru Station.
Ano to siya na? Oo. Yung gloves. So mga biig, just an update na nandito na kami sa snowmobile experience and Toya. Dito siya sa may Lake Toya. Yun. So magsa-snowmobile kami and si Makoy yung driver. Good luck!
Put your leg on the steps, no down. Okay, put your leg on the steps. 麻烦双腿一定要放在这个踏板上面，不要放下去，放在踏板上面啊。
はい、アクセルレバー右の親指になります。これ一気に握ると急発進します。危険なのでやめてください。徐々に握ってくださいね。
Okay, right side, right side. Right side is throttle. Okay, right side is throttle. Use the throttle very, very gently. Okay, like this. No this, no very strong. Very gently use it because it's very dangerous. Okay， 我们右手是油门啊，轻轻按油门，去轻轻按它，不要去突然使劲按它，很危险，好不好？轻轻按油门啊。
こちらがブレーキになります。
Ay, sa kabila yung brake.
そしてそれから通常走行の時は必ずブレーキレバーから手を離してください。
Okay, the left side is brake. Stop, okay? Where you use it, you use here. Where you don't use it, you just hold here. Just hold here, okay? 我们左手是刹车，用的时候。
とかモービルが動けなくなった場合手を挙げて知らせてください。
Okay, if you have any question, any issue, any trouble, just put your hands up. The staff will help you. 如果说遇到任何困难、任何危险、任何状况了，举起您的手 one by one, only one line, no two, no three, just one line because it's dangerous, okay? 然后我们这个雪地摩托车跟着教练走，教练会在最前面。
二人乗りの人、ドライバーチェンジはしないでください。
Okay, and if you choose the driver cannot change your driver, they will check the plans, okay? Thank you so much. 如果选择双人的
Ayun na agad! Ito na, magdadrive na si Makoy. Hoy, umayos ka sa pagdadrive mo. Dito na. Tay! Ako din yung mag...
I think I did for you, okay? I use my phone. I send the picture for you, okay?
A picture ka. Wait.
Wait.
Oops! Dahan-dahan lang ka. Ay, magaling ka. Oh my God! So, pag in-avail nyo yung tour na to, yung first stop niya is, eto nga, yung snowmobile experience. Pag hindi ka nag-sign up, doon ka lang sa baba.
Sa parking.
Sa parking ka lang. So, ayun. Yun naman yung kagandahan dito. Kasi sobrang ganda ng experience namin. And then, makikita mo, yung Lake Toya here. Toya! Ano po ginagawa natin dito? Ba't tayo nakastop?
Hinihintay yung iba natin kasama.
Kasi
Nakita mo yung mga kasalubong natin kanina. Kasama natin yan. So, hintayin silang makapunta.
maka-line up dito. Snowmobile is hashtag being recommended! So, nandito na kami sa second stop and this is Lake Toya. Wow! Akala ko maganda na yung view kanina. Mas maganda pa pala dito. Ay, matake si Ko.
Ha?
So, meron ditong snow cruising. Parang yung ginawa natin, tama? Snowmobile.
Yung hatakin ka.
Uy! 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 Ayan. So, 30 minutes lang daw dito sa may Lake Toya. And sobrang lamig dito kasi siguro malapit siya sa lake. Try namin yung famous yogurt daw dito sa Hokkaido. Hokkaido yogurt. So, ito daw yung famous na yogurt drink dito. Mas mura to. 301.
Masarap. Ito ba yun?
Hindi ko alam eh. Yan string cheese na Hokkaido.
Oo, bili tayo.
Oh, sige. Ito. The pudding of Lake Toya milk.
Saan to? Ito yung pudding.
Milk pudding.
Ayan. Ito yun yung nandun.
So, yan na lang. Okay. Ang cute.
Cute candy.
Ang cute.
Ang cute ng lalagyan. Ganun siya.
Ito yung best-selling souvenir nila, Lake Toya pudding.
Ano 600? 4 pa ako dyan.
So yan, bumili kami nito. Pero hindi na namin iuwi. Kasi alam namin na masisira siya. Ang kulit meron silang Hello Kitty version ng Hello Kitty version ng mga
Mint oil.
liniment. Ang saya. Tita ka na, pero kikay ka din at the same time. Ooh! Wala ba tong free taste?
Tunay na.
Kimidong.
Kimuchi.
Hokkaido lavender.
Lip up. Horse oil. Ang alin? Dry skin.
自由安排时间，小心一点，注意安全就好。
So, nandito na kami sa third stop ng tour na to. And, nandito kami sa Lake Hill Farm to try the famous gelato. Wala ka.
2.
1 item. Yan na.
Ay na.
Print ticket. Bayad ka na.
What is the best milk cream? Ano gusto mo?
Ayun, milk.
1 milk cream. And or gusto mo pumpkin pa?
Sige na. Go.
Hindi, ano pa gusto mo?
Pumpkin. Ayun din yung in-order nila. Lahat sila yun ang in-order. Ayun. Hala, ang cute. So, ayan, we're gonna try the famous Hokkaido. Ito ang digit na Hokkaido talaga. So, Hokkaido gelato. Ito yung milk, ano ba?
Cream.
Milk and cream and then pumpkin.
Si OA.
OA, alin? This is for 500 yen. Yung 2 flavors, 500 yen. Or yung 1 flavor naman is
400.
400 yen.
So okay na mag-2 scoop kayo. Parang siyang may cheese, no? Parang may cheese something.
Para siyang cream cheese ice
ganun.
cream.
Tingnan natin yung pumpkin. Pumpkin daw.
Ang weird, pumpkin yung buto ng pakwan. Ay, buto ng pakwan. Buto ng buto ng kalabasa. Kalabasa pa.
Interesting.
Eh,
Lasa siyang kamote.
I'm scared. Si pumpkin naman kasi yung isa.
Tinanong kita, di ba?
Ang weird na sa umpisa pero
Sarap.
masarap. So mga biik, pag pumunta kayo dito sa Lake Hill Farm, don't miss the chance to try their gelato ice cream. Kasi hindi siya budol lang, masarap talaga.
Since 1992.
Ayan siya oh, may tsura. Ang cute! Sobrang cute! Mahal! Ayun sa taas pala.
Ayan yung sinasabi ni Tita Ivy, oh.
Na-arrange!
Yung may kagat-kagat na isda. Diba?
780 yen. Ay, mabango ah.
May maano siya.
Malagkit.
Moisturizing.
Ang mahal ng t-shirt nila, biig. 2,700. amoy.
Sulfur. Garden. The morning sun.
Ang ganda. Ang baho.
Dadaos-dos ka.
So, ito yung onsen. Ay, sorry. Ano ba yun? Sulfur Rock. Hell Mountain. Ang baho. Hi mga BE, good morning!
Good morning!
Ayan, so welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today, it's our day 3 here in Sapporo, Hokkaido. And for today's vlog, samahan nyo kami because we will visit the most Instagrammable places here in Sapporo. Ayan, so our first stop for this vlog is Sapporo TV Tower. So ayan siya sa likod, ayan. So nakapunta na kami dito
Sa taas.
sa taas ng gabi. So ngayon lang namin siya nakita ng morning and ang ganda niya.
Sa first week kasi ng February, magaganap yung
Sapporo Snow Festival.
So nandiyan na yung mga bloke ng yelo na ika-carve nila ng mga statues. So mag-start na siguro within this week. Kasi banda doon, ayun no, may malaki ng sculpture doon. Doon sa dulo.
Yes, and super dadami yung turista dito. If I'm not mistaken, magsa-start siya ng February 4 to 11.
Yes. So, ayun, medyo mahal na yung mga bookings ng hotel noon.
So, eto na guys yung Sapporo Clock Tower. So, it's open from 8:45 a.m. till 5:10 p.m.
Ayan. So, ito yung rates.
Ay, ayan, may rates.
So, yung adults, 350. Tapos, pag group kayo over 20 na
Dami
tao,
nyo.
300 kayo each. Tapos, university students, 150. Pag high school ka naman, free.
Ooh. Sabihin kayo natin high school tayo. Try namin pumasok sa loob. Wala tayong napanood na vlog na pumasok, no? Sa loob. So, marami siyang route. Dito tayo sa route 1. Hi. Philippines.
How long have you staying here?
Here? 3 days.
3 days
3
only.
days.
A very short time.
No.
It's our third day.
Third day today, but we will stay here for 9 days.
Another place.
Another places.
Tomorrow will be in Otaru.
Otaru.
Tomorrow. Okay,
Tomorrow.
Also.
Samui.
Yeah. Your country is very hot.
Yes, very hot.
So very 10 years ago, I visited Cebu Island.
Cebu Island.
About
Wow.
The ocean is very nice.
hot country, hot place.
Hot place.
Very hot.
Atsui.
Yeah. This is a museum? No.
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 It's our first time.
This building was used the university's classroom. This building called the Sapporo Agriculture College.
okay.
College name
Hi.
before the Hokkaido University name. So about 150 years ago, this year is a memorial nice year day.
Wow.
In Hokkaido University.
Hokkaido University is near.
Near?
Yeah, very
Very near.
It's about 20 minutes by walk. Very near here.
It's
back
near.
of the Sapporo station, and there were 10 minutes by walk from Sapporo station. Very near here.
Very near. Military.
room.
Did you say Russia?
Russia? Yeah.
Russia. So the student became the army good leader.
Good riddance.
And have one.
Good leader. Meron tayo ditong tour guide. No.
Bear.
It's bear.
First time
Yeah.
on the bear, there are bear on the roof. The very famous Japanese good leader came here, and when he sees the building, on the bear, no good. American style, but on the roof, Japanese style, no different. So nice leader. Government want to build a new road in this here, and this is the road.
Ang friendly niya, no? Kasi alam niya Pilipino. So, ayun na nga, no? Biglang nagkaroon tayo ng tour guide. Which is good kasi may mga nalalaman tayo dito sa pinupuntahan natin. Ulit. Wow. This is the exhibition room. Was here. Ayun. Mechanical device of Sapporo Clock Tower. Hindi pala kita.
Ayun na. The Sapporo Clock Tower is constructed on 1878.
Yung totoo. Yan siya.
The structure
Ang daming
originally
binagong buhay
featured
ng clock na yun.
a bell tower. Picture time. Per second. 2, 3, 4.
Guys, pag pumunta kayo dito sa Sapporo Clock Tower, don't just take pictures outside kasi there's more to the photos outside. Ang dami niyong matututunan about
History.
Sapporo and yung ano nila, yung mga staff nila dito, very friendly and
Welcoming.
willing silang mag-discuss sa inyo
Mhm.
kahit na hindi sila perfect mag-English.
Ayun nga.
Ayan guys, yung Sapporo Clock
Clock
Tower.
Tower.
So pag pumunta kayo sa Sapporo, don't forget to visit Sapporo Clock Tower.
Yan, sama nyo na sa itinerary nyo. To know more about the history of Sapporo at culture nila.
True. And only 350 yen per person sa mga adults. Around siguro mga 150 pesos. Ayun, so we will be going to the next.
Station.
The next station is Tutuban Station. Charis. Bye! Ang lamig! Makakatambay na station. May tasting area sila.
So guys, pag pumunta kayo dito, pwede kayong mag-taste ng mga coffee bean nila. Free yun. So meron sila ditong iba-ibang klase ng roasted beans. Meron din silang
Colombia,
decaf.
Brazil, Indonesia. Oh my God! So guys, nandito na kami sa
Royce Nama Chocolate. Royce.
So, itong next na pupuntahan namin is not basically an Instagrammable place, pero of course, masarap siya puntahan because it's the Royce Factory. Ayun, oh. Ayun.
Ano yan? Paano yan? Bawal ka dito maano.
Ayun. Paano tayo pupunta doon? Ayun yung Royce Factory.
Lalabas ka dito.
Okay.
Ready na ba tayo?
Ayun. So, if ever pupunta rin kayo sa Royce Town, just take note guys na ano siya, medyo malayo siya sa city. So, may pagka-probinsya feels na siya. So, medyo malayo-layo siya and under siya ng JR line. So, if you can see that, yan, dyan tayo pupunta sa Royce. Hala, ang galing. May sarili siyang station. Oo nga. Konnichiwa. Ang galing. So guys, nandito kami sa Royce Town Station and then nagulat kami na meron siyang sariling shuttle bus. Instead of you walking 500 meters. Ayun. Ayun o, mafe-feel mo talaga na nasa Royce Town ka na. Kasi yung station niya, kulay blue.
Amazing.
Amazing. Grabe yung sa kawalan yung Royce Town. So, nandito na nga kami sa Royce Factory, di ba? And then, nakita namin sa entrance na hanggang 5 siya, pero yung last admission ng factory tour is 3. For my God. Hala, ang ganda. May Royce pala na ice cream. Ayun o, yung factory. Tanong mo sa information. Ayan. So, close nga siya, guys. Closed on random days din sila. And then, yung entrance niya is 1,200 yen. Parang uso yung 1,200. So, ang maganda dito guys, so pumunta kayo, yung mga flavors na limited edition or hindi common, nandito siya oh. Like ngayon ko lang nakita tong Champagne Pierre Magnon. And then, itong mga light blue. Hala! May tiramisu! Tiramisu! Bili kayo tayo isa, tapos try yung
Tiramisu.
Tiramisu.
Tikman natin. Kung gusto mo matikman lahat.
Ayan, nandito na lahat. For 3,000?
780.
3,780 yen. Ito naman tigsa 729. Ang cute ng mga packaging niya. Grabe, budol na budol ako. Ito naman mga fruit bars.
Matcha bar. Ayun, nutty bar.
So far, ito, bibili kami ng mga unusual, hindi usual na flavors. Ito, caramel. Saka, tiramisu. Ito. Hi mga biik, so just an update na nakaalis na kami sa Royce Factory and we are gonna go back there some other time para ma-experience yung Chocolate Factory workshop. And may bad news, nalaglag sa hagdanan si Macaulay. So, ayun. Ano ba nangyari sa'yo? Yung last step, namali siya ng tapa. So, pasa check and maga check later. Yeah. So ngayon, before we go home, we will just eat dinner sa isang medyo kilala na pork bowl na sikat dito sa Sapporo. So yan. Tingnan mo kung paano mag-queue. So finally, nandito na kami sa Tokachi Butadon. Dito lang sa Sapporo Station. So, nung nag-tour kami kahapon kasi parang pinapromote nung tour guide na this is one of the best places for grilled meat. So, tatry namin siya.
Actually, ang rating dito sa Google is 4.3.
Ay, mababa.
So, tingnan natin kung masarap.
Pero lahat na nandito is puro
Tourist. Mostly turista. So, check natin yung meat nila kung masarap. Yung in-order ko is two parts. So, may pork ribs ata yun, saka yung normal part ng pork. Tapos yung sayo.
Tapos yung in-order ko is yung regular lang nila na ay, ano ba yun? Pork butadon na special and large fries.
Gutom yarn.
Yan. So ito na yung order ko. Yung pork butadon loin. Pork loin butadon. Tapos ito yung kay Mako, yung 2 parts. Yung may rib ba yan? Yan. unique ba yung lasa nitong food na to? For me, hindi. Pero masarap ba siya? Yes. Kasi parang binibida is sa Sapporo mo lang daw matitikman to. Pero yung lasa niya for me is para siyang barbecue na may miso. Ganun. Pero still, I would rate this 8 out of 10. Kasi ang laki ng serving.
Ayun nga, lasa siyang liempo. Masarap yung sauce ng barbecue niya. Tapos, masarap din yung miso sauce sa rice. And then, quality naman yung meat. So, technically, masarap pa din dito. Must try pa din siya during stay in Sapporo. At ang servings, compare dun sa yung, ikumpara mo siya sa ibang restaurant, yung lasa niya, tsaka yung price, and yung quantity ng meat is pasok na pasok sa banga. Kasi ang dami pa ng rice. So, pag gutom na gutom ka, perfect to. So, I would rate this 8.5.
Wow.
Masarap din naman kasi. So, ciao!
Thank you so much for watching our vlog, mga biik! Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to the Biik Adventures! So, dyan tayo pupunta.